hate to say things got worse, but they just got much, much worse. That is a very strong cigarette smell. This car has not been moved really in 2 years, a year and a half. And there is cigarettes, there is water bottles, there is everything all over the place. You guys can see this thing is due for cleaning. You can't even really get a sense of how bad this is unless you're in here. The windows are like a hazy, I guess, brown layer from the smoke. Can't even see it here. Like it is bad. Yeah. This is really gross. Let's get this thing inside. I would hate to say things got worse, but they just got much, much worse. There was a garbage bag full of cigarette butts that just went everywhere. Yeah, I'm not one for wearing masks, but there's ash everywhere. It just well, we found this, so I feel like we have to shoot it. Look at the color difference. Look at that, is pure cigarettes. I don't know if the smell is ever going to come out of this truck. We might be doing a full interior rip out. This is bad. I think that's everything. Put this over here for now. Might be the only thing we keep out of the truck.
on your skin, the bitter taste of her perfume. If my heart was yours to win, You don't deserve it, boy, you lose. We're in the jungle, and while we're